Alright, 366, the coupler. Maintenance of a diesel electrical locomotive road switcher. The coupler includes the removal, disassembly, cleaning, inspection, repair, and assembly installation. Toolkit SC49497C ICE12. You're going to need Magnaflex tool personnel required too. Material parts, dry cleaning solvent, graphite, grease, and grease. GAA. Removal. Components of the coupler are heavy and may be awkward to handle. To use the correct lifting procedures and identification of lifting devices, assistance to other personnel to avoid injury. Remove the cotter pin and pin from the under coupler clevis. Use a suitable lifting device and support the coupler. Use a cutting torch to remove the flange. Remove the cutter pin and toggle pin. Remove the coupler using a suitable lifting device and support the yoke. 11. Remove the 4 nuts and plate washers and bolts to 9 and 10. Remove the yoke. Disassembly, remove the cotter pin, knuckle pin, and knuckle. Remove the lock lifter and the knuckle thrower and the knuckle lock. The removal looks something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and cleaning inspection. Dry cleaning solvent PD 680 is a tactical flame and will work protective goggles and gloves. Only use in well ventilated areas. Avoid contact with skin, eyes closed, and do not breathe vapors. Do not use near open flames. Excessive heat, flash point 100 to 138 degrees Fahrenheit. If it becomes dizzy, get fresh air. Immediately get medical aid. If in contact, eyes made with wash your aids. Get aid medical immediately. Compressed air used on clean purpose will not exceed 30 psi. Do not direct the compressed air against the skin. Use the goggles, full face shield. Use dry cleaning solvent. Clean the parts. Dry the compressed air. Magnaflux pivot pin. Replace the pin if cracked. If the diameter is warped below 1 and 11/16 of an inch inside the pocket and position pocket of the yoke. For the rough surfaces, remove the roughness as required. Magnaflux the yoke. Replace if cracked. Inspect the pinhole. Diameter of the pinhole should be 1 3/16 of an inch and minimum of 2 inches maximum. Replace the yoke in the hole. Removal. Inspect the remaining of the parts of the coupler assembly for cracks and breaks and other damage. Repair the consistent replacement of the damaged parts. Installation. Install the knuckle lock and the knuckle thrower and the lock lifter. Install the knuckle and the knuckle pin into the cotter pin. Installation. Warning: the components of the draft gear coupler are heavy and may be awkward to handle. Use the correct lifting devices. Indication of lifting devices or assistance with other personnel to avoid injury. Use suitable lifting devices. Position the yoke on the locomotive frame. Install the 4 bolts and plate washers and nuts. Use suitable lifting devices. Position the coupler in the yoke and all the toggle pin, cotter pin, and use welding machine and welded flange. Position the uncoupler clevis on the lock lifter. Install the pin and cotter pin.